Welcome to our professional highlight series. Today we will be interviewing someone very special. So if you can go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Vahe Hakobyan. I am currently in Berlin, working at Zalando as a data scientist. I'm happy to contribute to this, our little journey. So currently, I'm a senior research scientist, research engineer at Zalando, which is like a bit mixture of being a software engineer and a data scientist. So depending on the situation, I take one of the roles and help the team. I'm here already more than a year. Before that, I was fully in Armenia, like back and forth, Germany, Armenia, Armenia, Germany.
So what does being a data scientist mean to you?
In many companies, what I have seen in many different places and so on, like data scientists are valued differently depending on the skill set. But for me, the only criteria is that the person is able to solve the problems.
So going back to image recognition and then changing, what made you you studied it, what made you switch out of it?
So you probably heard that like in machine learning or like AI is like very wide field, and deep learning is one particular sub field of AI, and image recognition is happening basically through deep learning. Right? So my general that was from this field, like in a sense that at some point it felt that I'm doing the same thing all over again, just like a new paper, new network structure or something like that. But like there is no or very little addition to my knowledge, like when the time passes. So I just really decided to, and I felt I'm missing opportunity with other stuff that is happening, right? Like at that point of time. So yeah, that was the trigger for me to actually change and try new stuff. And I'm pretty much happy in the sense that in this 1.5 years, I learned and tried so many things that I wouldn't even like think of trying before. So.
Are there any general limitations with the work that you do, like the data bias, the efficiency, just in general, what are some limitations?
That's certainly a very interesting question, and it very much applied to the work to the first project that I actually encountered here at Zalando. It was related to measuring our so just to give you a bit of more information, what I do is like I'm in the personalized marketing department, which is basically busy in understanding and using programmatic advertisement, and also like measuring the impact of advertising versus not advertising, like how much revenue we get when we advertise stuff on different platforms and so on. And also like we are concerned with the question how to make it better.
So with that, what steps can Armenia take to expand data science, and can Armenia benefit from this?
Yes, definitely. By looking around, like there are two words in the notion of data science. Let's put aside data, but of course, like the person who is working in data science is a data scientist, and this is the first STEM field which got like very democratized, in a sense that we have like a lot of intuitive resources out there, and we have a lot of video courses and so on. So none of other STEM disciplines is doing that. You can't really be a good chemist or physicist if you are doing some online courses, right? So, but this field somehow got very much democratized, and a lot of people that I see around, like they are really like, I wouldn't say they are offsprings of this kind of self-education, right? And I guess I have stressed a couple of times that like math is really important, like the cornerstone of this everything. And in Armenia, we have really good foundations for